Are you someone whose salary vanishes in the first 2 weeks of the month? Does it feel like your money just disappears, leaving you wondering where it all went? What if I told you that organizing your finances doesn't have to be about restrictive budgets and spreadsheets? In fact, there's a smarter way to manage your money that doesn't require cutting back on your lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 5 money systems that will help you stay financially organized and ensure your money lasts all month long. Whether you're just starting to take control of your finances or looking for a more efficient way to manage your income, these systems will help you save, grow, and enjoy your life without stress. Let's get started. 1. The 50-30-20 rule, the balance system. When it comes to managing your money, simplicity is key. One of the best money systems for beginners is the 50-30-20 rule. It's an easy-to-follow method that doesn't require obsessing over every penny. It provides a great starting point for anyone who's new to budgeting. The basic concept is to divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for financial goals. The 50% for needs part covers all of your essential expenses, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are your non-negotiables, expenses that are required for you to live and work. Allocating 50% of your income to these basics ensures that you're prioritizing what truly matters and aren't overspending on things that aren't essential. Next is 30% for wants, which is where you get the freedom to spend on the fun things in life. This includes dining out, entertainment, hobbies, or any other lifestyle choices that make your life enjoyable. What's great about this system is that it gives you permission to enjoy your life, but it also helps you stay within limits that won't sabotage your finances. It's important to remember that spending on wants is totally okay as long as it's within a healthy range. Finally, 20% for financial goals is about putting money toward building wealth. This portion is for your savings, investments, and paying off any outstanding debt. Whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or contributing to your retirement, this 20% helps you keep your long-term goals front and center. By automatically dedicating a portion of your income to financial goals, you're setting yourself up for future security and peace of mind. One of the biggest advantages of this system is that it's balanced. You can enjoy your lifestyle and still make progress on your financial goals. Plus, it's easy to adjust as your financial situation changes. 2. Zero-based budgeting, the purposeful system. If you're the kind of person who likes total control and wants to know exactly where every dollar goes, zero-based budgeting might be the right system for you. Unlike the 50-30-20 rule, this method forces you to assign every dollar a job until your income minus expenses equals exactly 0. Here's how it works. Let's say you earn $4,000 a month. With zero-based budgeting, you assign each of those $4,000 to specific categories: rent, groceries, utilities, savings, debt repayment, and even small spending categories like miscellaneous. By the end of the month, every dollar has been allocated to something. Nothing is left floating. This system works great for people who like to be intentional with their money and can stick to a detailed plan. Every dollar is purpose-driven, and there's no wiggle room for mindless spending. For this system, tools like EveryDollar or an app you need a budget are fantastic. These apps are designed specifically for zero-based budgeting, making the process easier to track and manage. Once you get the hang of it, this system can help you stay extremely organized and keep your financial goals front and center. Although it requires more effort than the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting gives you a powerful sense of control. You'll know exactly where your money is going and can allocate more to savings, paying down debt, or investing for your future. 3. The envelope system, the visual system. Do you find it hard to keep track of your spending in specific categories, like dining out or shopping? The envelope system might be the visual tool you need to get control over those leak-prone spending habits. Here's how it works. You set aside a fixed amount of cash for each category of spending. For example, you might have an envelope for dining out with $100, an envelope for entertainment with $75, and another for shopping with $50. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you stop spending in that category for the rest of the month. While this is the traditional method, there's also a digital version of the envelope system for those who prefer managing everything online. Apps like Good Budget allow you to create digital envelopes linked to your bank accounts so you can track spending without physical cash. The great thing about this system is that it puts a physical limit on how much you can spend in each category. When the envelope is empty, you can't overspend, which creates a strong visual reminder of your financial boundaries. The envelope system is perfect for people who struggle with certain spending categories, like food or entertainment, and need a simple, straightforward approach to control those habits. It makes sticking to your budget easier, especially for those who prefer visual cues. 4. The 6 jars system, T. Harv Eker's approach. The 6 jars system, popularized by financial expert T. Harv Eker, offers a unique approach to money management by dividing your income into 6 distinct categories. This system isn't just about paying bills. It's about making sure you're financially organized in a way that reflects all aspects of your life: financial goals, fun, learning, and giving. Here's how the 6 jars system works. First, 55% of your income goes to necessities, which includes all essential living expenses like rent, utilities, and food. The next category is 10% for financial freedom, which is specifically set aside for investments and building wealth. Another 10% goes to long-term savings, helping you prepare for future goals like buying a house or going on a dream vacation. The 10% for education ensures that you're always investing in yourself, whether it's for courses, books, or seminars that will help you grow personally or professionally. You also allocate 10% for play, which is your fun money for hobbies, entertainment, anything else that adds joy to your life. Finally, 5% goes to giving, a portion that's reserved for charity or donations. This not only helps you give back, but also keeps you grounded and appreciative of your financial journey. The 6 jars system helps create a balanced financial life. It's not just about paying bills. It's about enriching your life in every aspect. By putting money aside for fun, education, and giving, you ensure that every part of your life is funded, not just your responsibilities. The challenge with this system is staying organized with multiple categories, but once you get into the habit, it creates a sense of financial security and fulfillment that's hard to match. 5. The no-budget budget, the anti-budget system. If you hate the idea of tracking every transaction or obsessing over detailed budgets, then the no-budget budget might be the right approach for you. This system is designed for people who want to keep things simple without having to track 20 categories. The no-budget budget is minimalistic and focuses on one number, your checking account balance. Here's how it works. You pay your bills and fund your savings goals right away. After that, whatever is left in your checking account is yours to spend however you like, as long as you don't go into debt. No need to track every single expense or categorize purchases. The key to success with a no-budget budget is self-discipline. You need to be able to control your spending and know when to stop, even without detailed tracking. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You don't have to worry about overspending in specific categories because you're only allowed to spend what's left in your account. This method works great for those who want to spend freely while still maintaining financial responsibility. It's also perfect for people who hate the complexity of traditional budgeting but still want to make sure they're building savings and avoiding debt. And there you have it, the top 5 money systems to keep your finances in check. Whether you prefer structure, flexibility, or complete control, one of these systems will help you get financially organized in a way that matches your lifestyle and goals. Like this video if you found these tips helpful, share it with someone who needs a financial system that works for them, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical money tips to help you build wealth and take control of your financial future.